back up. Turns out it's a real SS. Is it really?
You need to get a number. Pardon? You need to get a number. No. Right.
I don't know which one we're going on, but this is where is as is, and the sales are final. No checks. This is no credit cards, no checks, no American Express. This is cash only.
Oh no, there's no problem.
I got my first $100 bid. Thank you very much.
But no.
I still got one guy in there, folks. I don't want to say I didn't have much time. There it goes. Alrighty, everybody, good morning. Are we ready to do it?
Do it.
We can do it. As Laura would say, let's do it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I got my first $100 bid. I got 1,000. Thank you very much. I got 3 back there. I've got 4 here. I got 4 here, 4 grand.
41.
I've got 41.
5 grand.
I've got 5 grand. I got 1750 back there. I've got 18. I've got 18 back here. How about 19? 19 anywhere. I've got 19 back there. I've got 19 back there. How about 20,000? I've got 19 back there, the red hat. 19,000 back there. How about 1950 anywhere? 1950. I've got 1950. How about 1950 anywhere? I've got 1900 back here. 1900 going once. I've got 1900 back there.
19,000.
I'm used to storage wars. I'm used to storage wars, guys. Oh gosh, you guys got me. You're right. I got 1950 back. 1900. 19,000.
19,500.
I'm looking for 19,500. I'm looking for 19,500. I've got 19,000 back there. I've got 19,000 looking for 1950. 1950 anywhere. 19,000 going once. 19,000 going twice. So, 19,000.
Then I gotta find a place for